Hello guys, in front of me HTC U Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard theme on this device. So let's start from open the settings, and now click here and type theme. Now we have to enter themes and scroll down. As you can see, there's keyboard color, so enter. And right now there is section called install it, and there's a few themes like default white, neon blue, Android, and gloss water. So go with your best. I will probably take this one. Click on the enable, and as you can see, this is how our theme changed. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.